I want to thank some of our sponsors here real quick. I want to thank Zion for being on board, Office Max, Mikusuki Resort and Gaming, Sergio Sprinting, Random Pound Restaurant, which Random Pound Restaurant, to be honest, I got to mention, this is a pretty cool restaurant, guys. It's all MMA related. It's all based on MMA theme. It's an MMA theme. It gives us a house to watch fights. You guys should check it out. It's pretty cool. Then you got La Coronela and Fernandez Dental. With no further delays, I'm going to jump into, I'm going to bring up the fighters from the first fight of the night all the way up to the main event. And fighters come up, let the fans know, let the media know what they can expect on Friday from you guys.
And I'd like to thank all my sponsors, Real to Real Clothing, Ground and Pound Restaurant, and Euroworks Auto, Lemon Tree Cafe, MMA Out, and Slack Bar and Grill. Try to just do my best and bring everything out, okay? Thank you guys.